How many of you have appeared for 2025 exam? And how many of you have checked 2025 exam? How many of you have checked? जो appear हुआ वो तो check किया, जो नहीं appear हुआ, have you checked out the paper? And have you seen 2023 exam? So I think if you realize that CSAT once was a qualifying paper, now probably we always call it an eliminator, because GS paper 2 would be checked, and if you clear it, then only your GS paper 1 would be checked. And what I have realized is that this sentence resonates on my Telegram channels and as well as my on WhatsApp messages कि sir GS paper 1 तो हो गया, GS 2 नहीं हुआ. So we have to take it very seriously, and this time around with the questions that have come in your exam, they have experimented beautifully this time. They have again given a type which is very relevant and very new. That was a type we saw in SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test, or GMAT, which was kind of this question. I hope if you have seen it, you would relate to it. Value 1 was something, then value 2 is something, and then option number A is value 1 is greater than value 2. Agreed? Have you seen this question or not? Value 1 is less than value 2, and so on. First time in competitive exam, in Indian competitive exam conducted by UPSC, this was there, which is totally different, and I acknowledge we have not done it as a content for past 11-12 years. We haven't. So they are going beyond whatever we are teaching, isn't it? And they're very good at it, but luckily we had done data sufficiency as a topic, so students were easily able to comprehend this. They were easily able to understand it. But if you say that this is a basic paper, it has gone beyond basic, I would say. For example, questions which generally were part of CAT, right? So see this, 3 to the power 2019 is divided by 10. Find remainder. This is 2023. Though if you have attended my class or if you have seen my class, you would be able to solve it. But not a normal student who hasn't taken CSAT coaching won't be able to do it. I can assure you that. And if you say, sir, this is maths friendly paper, engineers or maybe, maths graduates would be able to do it easily. No one as a content teaches this kind of questions in graduation of mathematics. There would be engineers also over here. So I can assure you this is not the part of the content in the exam. In graduation, whether it is engineering, whether it is maths graduation. Alright, which means this is basic maths only. Obviously the paper came into picture 2011. It became qualifying after 2014. Right, and as soon as it became qualifying, it was very, very relevant that paper tough hoga. I don't know whether you agree to it or not. Most of the platforms I teach at, they generally students say, sir, this is maths friendly. But shocking figures are there. 2023, 7 IITians of my batch, they appeared for this exam. Only 2 cleared. And there were 3 JNU students, 2023. They appeared for exam, my students, right? They were from JNU, all 3 cleared, right? So that's a comparison you can make. So there is nothing called beneficial for engineers. Yeah, maybe that it would be easier for them to understand because they have been in touch, and that is the reason this time what I have done is that I think from this session onwards, problem solving be the key. Let's solve problem in every class. So what I'm going to do is every time, जैसे कि number system we are going on, so we are going to solve real questions on number system in the class only. Before, we used to depend upon you people to solve those questions and bring it back as a problem, but this year we would be doing it in the class and you guys are going to do it, so that you know we curb the problem in the class itself. Secondly, what I have decided is if you guys are not doing well, I am going to do this mentorship thing. You can personally sit with me for an hour, whether online or offline, that would be your choice, and we can solve problems, right? The whole point over here is preparation of CSAT is totally different from preparation of GS पेपर 1. आप लोग ये आज पहले दिन ही समझ लो, ठीक है? GS पेपर 1 में क्या करते हो? नोट्स बनाते हो, इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स लिखे और उसको रिवाइज कर लिया, हो गया पेपर 1. ज्योग्राफी हो गया, हिस्ट्री हो गया, पॉलिटी हो गया, इकोनॉमिक्स हो गया, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन हो गया, जो भी है. आई एम वेरी पुअर, मैं जीएस पेपर 1 को नहीं पता मुझे, पर मुझे स्टैंडर्ड प्रैक्टिस पता है. ऑलराइट, फिर तुम सीसेट में क्या करते हो? नोट्स बना रहे हो. गलत, सिर्फ नोट्स मत बनाओ. प्रॉमिस मी फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस एवरी डे. आज से ही स्टार्टेड. आई एम गोइंग टू डू 3 classes a week. I know, you know, why 3 classes. I don't have to finish the syllabus. It's better that you guys are with me till very long time, so that your system starts working, right? It's useless when you're doing 4 classes, 5 classes, 6 classes a week. It's good for us. I complete 1 batch, I get 1 more batch. I complete 1 batch, I get 1 more batch. But not good for students, right? Because you are indulged in GS, you are indulged in mains, you are indulged in ethics, and God knows how many, you know, current affairs also, isn't it? So a lot of pressure on you people also. So guys, CSAT ignore mat karo. It's one full paper. GS का कट ऑफ कितना है? What is the cut off for GS? 87, 80 out of 200. How much time you are spending? 700, 800, 900 hours, है ना भाई? तुम्हारा जीएस पेपर काम ही नहीं आएगा जब तक मेरा पेपर नहीं क्लियर करोगे. पॉइंट के. Have you ever heard that you are going to clear mental ability paper by just 1 month of practice? Then only thing I can say is best of luck. Please check exams from 2017. I've been very vocal. 2017 onwards, examination has become tough, and whatever your teachers say, whatever tricks they give you, they are non-manageable. Reason, मैं बार बार क्लासेस में बोलता हूँ, they don't need tricksters. ऐसा कौन सा ट्रिक है जिससे यूपीएससी खुश हो जाएगा? Do you think they require tricksters? They require people, those who manage situation well. Under pressure. You are going to be future officers, and if you want to be future officers, you should manage that pressure well in the exam. मई का महीना होता है, बहुत धूप होती है, बहुत गर्मी होती है, पेपर 1 में जान निकल चुकी होती है, पेपर 2 तक तुम लोग खत्म हो चुके होते, और उसके बाद जब वो पेपर 2 तुम लोग देखते हो तो वो तुम्हें खत्म कर देते. ये सच्चाई है. Only 11% people were able to clear 2025. I don't know how many of you were able to clear it. You won't be here if you were able to clear it, right? And 2023, only 8% people were able to clear it. In between, there was a Ashirwad called 2024, which if you have done my classroom, you would have solved it within 2 hours, because there was a lot of number system in that paper. So then they again realized, ये तो हो रहा है. They don't want to select you guys. Every process is an elimination. All right, so we will work like that. So welcome to my class. My name is Rishi, Bhargava. Not an IITian, not a very maybe fabulous famous teacher, but just go to your seniors, go to people those who have cleared this paper, right? You would realize they would say one thing. जो ऋषि सर क्लास में करवाते हैं वो पेपर में आता है. आप में से कितने हैं जो ये जानते भी होंगे और इसीलिए आप दोबारा आते, ठीक है? जो क्लास में होता है इट वुड कम, यू नो, वो पेपर में आ जाएगा. सो क्लासेस प्रॉपर लगाओ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग प्रॉपर करो. डे 1 से tell me sir I don't understand it, bring the chair, abhi aa jayega yaar, they are bringing the chairs, theek hai, and that is how we are going to make this process, right? So first thing is number system. My simple logic is you should start with ABCD. 6th class logic se shuru karte, and we will do a lot of PYQs with that, right? So what are natural numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, huh? You know Madhuri Dixit sang this song. Did Madhuri Dixit say 1.1 1.2 1.3? No. Which means number starting with 1, no fraction, no decimal. What is your mistake? You guys say natural number 1 to infinity. No fractions, no decimals, only counting numbers. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 4. Got it? So that logic which says, you know, sir, 1 to infinity is wrong because 1 to infinity would have fractions, 1 to infinity would have decimals. Wrong. All right. Then what are whole numbers? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and infinity. ये जो कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स है ना बच्चों, ये क्या होता है? सेट. तो जब भी हम लोग सेट लिखते हैं, we write 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a representation of elements. All right. So if I write 1, 2, 3, which means I don't want to write 1.1, 1.2 and so on. All right. So in second case also, natural numbers में you add 0, you get whole numbers. Again, no fractions, no decimals, 0. Now I'm asking you a question, right? Yes or no? 0 is a even number. No issues. Be vocal. 0 is a even number. Everyone. Yes, no. Isn't it? 0 is neither even nor odd. लिख लो. 0 is neither even nor odd. कैसा है? ठीक है, बैठो बैठो. देखो हमारे पेज में ही गलती है. You know something? Even odd categorization is for natural numbers. It has nothing to do with integers. Right? Got it? Clear है? Alright. 0 is nor odd. Ab now second question. Is 0 positive or negative? Lego, 0 is neither negative nor positive. There is no negativity in 0. All right. Point number 3. देखिए, can 0 be written as 0 into 7? Yes, sir. Can 0 be written as 0 into 11? Yes, sir. Can 0 be written as 0 into 3? Yes, sir. What does that say? 0 is a multiple of every number. Wow. 0 is a multiple of every number. 0 is a multiple of 3. 0 is a multiple of 7. 0 is a multiple of 11. 0 is a multiple of every number. Kindly write it. And once they spoke about, in the exam, they give you beautiful statements. They say all single digit multiples of 3. Single digit multiples of 3 कितने बताओ? And 0 also. 0 is a multiple of every number. See this. This is a killer. We have done only whole number. See, the question is there. Single digit multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and 0. Is it clear? Point number 4. Point number 4. 0 doesn't divide any number. Agreed? Our aim is doing everything in classroom. But this time this is going to be the work. Assignments, classroom. Can you give me 1 hour more every day? Come on, let's sit, do it. Because I understand there's a lot of pressure on you, right? So this time around, we are going to do a lot of work in the classroom itself. So that, we are, and first 3-4 weeks are important. I always start with number system. And there are people, those who cry. Because number system would have good 11 to 12 questions and number system is tough. So please raise your hands if you don't understand. Clear? Now, what do I mean by saying by point number 4? If I say a upon 0, what do we do? What do we write? Infinite नहीं बोलेंगे आज के बाद. You say it is indeterminate. Indeterminate. Infinite basically they say is anything divided by 0 is infinity, which means we cannot measure it. But indeterminate is we cannot find it actually. So infinity was wrong actually. किताबों में infinity नहीं लिखा हुआ, किताबों में indeterminate लिखा हुआ. Most of the teachers actually tell us, and most of the teachers are actually wrong when you're teaching this. Right? We'll continue this, right? Divided by 0 is indeterminate, right? It cannot be determined actually. All good, guys? Good. So then I say be the 0. Have you ever been called 0? अरे तुमसे कुछ नहीं होगा, तुम 0 है, बोला? हर किसी को बोला, माँ बाप नहीं बोला होगा, isn't it? Your parents would have said, अरे तुम कुछ नहीं करेगा यार, बोला है कि नहीं? 0. But 0 is beautiful. See, 0 is neither even nor odd, isn't it? Which means ना 0 गोरा है ना काला है, neither white nor black. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither male nor female. 0 is a factor of every number. 0 is a multiple of every number. God resides in all of us. 0 is a God, isn't it? And 0 does not divide. God doesn't divide. So आज के बाद 0 मतलब God. Remember that, okay? कोई 0 बोले बता, thank you sir, वो so good. And 0 is so important. What do you want in your salary? Increment of zeros. We never say, do we say, what is your name? Anmol. Do we say कि हमें ना हमारी सैलरी ना 9s में होनी चाहिए? We always say more zeros in our salaries. अभी अकाउंट भी किसी का बोलता है तो कभी वो ऐसे नहीं बोलता है, बोलता है this company is valued at 2 billion. This company is valued at 200 millions. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Everyone wants a 0, 0, 0, 0. All right. Money is all about more zeros, not more 9s. है ना? Am I right? So 0 is important, but remember, 2 point, neither even nor odd, because most of the mathematicians, math students take it even, and engineers who take it even, wrong, right? Second, neither positive nor negative, because many of you take 0 as positive also. 0 को positive भी लेते हैं, ठीक है? ये दो आपने ध्यान में रखना है. Clear? So then, after whole numbers, guys, after whole numbers, we get integers. What are integers? Now, most of you write integers as this, minus infinity to infinity. Sir, wrong. ये bracket क्या होता है? These are open brackets. And I'm writing is set bracket. So, what I write, it is minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity. No fraction, no decimal. This is the reason these are defined. देखो, natural में you add zeros, you get whole. In the whole numbers, you add negative of natural numbers. Negative of natural numbers, you get integers. And first 3 cases, no fractions, no decimals. That is the key. So now in exam, if he says x, y, z belong to natural, so आपके mind में पता है natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So all x, y, z would be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. No negative numbers, no zero, no fractions. That should strike you. That should strike you. Now question, sir, how do they frame question? That is really, really important. And the framework is actually, bit typical, but very basic logics are involved in it. So do you want to do a question on integers? Guys, I say yes or no. All dead people. Huh? Why are you so dead? अभी तो class शुरू हुआ है. Huh? I have a number n. See, they scare you off. Most of the students, they say, sir, we cannot comprehend the question. Problem is this, right? Sir, the problem is that we are not able to comprehend the question where to start. Do you agree? If you have seen paper, guys, if you have not seen paper, then it's all Roman to you, no problem. That's also a blessing. But whatever is your initial instinct, do that. Don't stop, okay? Let's do it. He says n is a number which is equal to 7x square plus 3x plus 6 upon x, where x belongs to integer 2023 and 2024. All right, 7x square plus 3x plus 6 upon x, where x is an integer. How many integral solutions of n are possible? How many integral solutions of n are possible? Option number 1, 3, option number 2, 4, option number 3, 2, and option number 4, none of these. Now, if you have not done maths after 10th class, it is a problem, sir. What do you mean by this, sir? Integral solutions. He wants to say is, bachcho, n की how many values are integers when x is a integer. When x is a integer. Try करो. First instinct चाहिए मुझे. Tension मत लो. Give me the first instinct. तुम्हारा मन क्या कर रहा है? Kindly do that. I need first instinct, nothing else. करो ट्राई मारो. Where is Akash? Siddharth ने वापिस आ रहे? Ask him server call. Good to see you. Good to see you. कहाँ से? क्या पहला स्टेप बोल. टेंशन मत दे. देख, x इंटीजर है, राइट? तो n किस वैल्यू के लिए इंटीजर होगा, ये सोचो. हाँ, दिस इज इट. ये चाहिए मुझे भाई. दिस इज इट. हो गया, क्वेश्चन हो गया तुम्हारा. डन है. पहला स्टेप इज द की. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज इंटीजर है ना. पहला स्टेप बता. ठीक है, x इज इक्वल टू 1 पे आ गया. और वैल्यू भी तो होगा. और वैल्यू डाल. See, the first step is the key. Only one guy is brilliant. Good. You got it. You got it. You got it. Zero hata. None of this answer. This is the key. Brilliant है. रो भाई, सॉल्व कर. पहला स्टेप. हाँ ठीक है, ये 6 अपॉन x लिखो भाई. आंसर 4. Now listen to me. Most of you have got it, and most of you are not doing anything. Looking at question. Isn't it? And you are all on a level playing ground now. Everyone is on a level playing ground. First step is important. देखो, simple सी. Shall I erase this above? and that is the reason you attend my classes, because day 1 first hour we are doing PYQs. लो देखो, this was the number. Can I write it as, has anyone done, n is equal to, sir, 7x square upon x plus 3x upon x plus 6 upon x. Can I write this? है ना? I think you've done it. किया हुआ है, 2-3 बच्चों ने किए. Perfect, right? Was people thinking like that? Yes, there were people thinking like that, but they did not initiate. शुरू नहीं किया. तो आज से प्रॉमिस करो, जो मन करे ना उसको शुरू कर. Alright, so what would be this? See, x and x cancel, 7x plus x and x cancel, plus 3 plus 6 upon x. Is this okay? Is this okay? X and x cancels, right? अब ध्यान से सुनना बच्चों, please pay attention. If x is an integer, 7x is also an integer. अगर x एक integer है, x is -2, 7 into -2 is -14, x is equal to 3, 3 into 6 is 18, isn't it? If x is an integer, 7x is an integer, and plus 3 is also an integer. तो ये तो n की वैल्यू में this is integer. So he is asking is, when is this number integer? x upon 6 integer कब होता है? That was your question. See how brilliantly they have done it. And provided जब x integer है, provided when x is an integer. Now tell me, for what values of x? 6 upon x is an integer. कौन कौन सी x की वैल्यू है? जब x जो है वो 6 का फैक्टर होगा, which means जब x जो है वो 1 होगा. 6 upon 1 क्या होता है? I think one of the gentlemen has done it. 6 upon 1 is 6, sir. It is an integer. Bar, and x is equal to 2. 6 upon 3, 2 is 3. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 6, 4 values as Anmol. As Anmol is saying, 4 values. Siddharth? You are Siddharth? Kanishk? As you are saying, but UPSC is beautiful. X is an integer, which means minus values भी चलेंगी. -1, -2, -3 and -6. Answer is none of these. 8 values. ये UPSC. अब समझ में आया? Start करो. And there is no content in the market. कोई किताब नहीं है जो ये क्वेश्चन करवाती है या ये क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करती है. But please go to 2021 videos at Shubhra Ranjan IS channel. There is a number system video मैंने अपलोड किए हैं तीनों, just for students. ये क्वेश्चन उसमें करवाया हुआ है और ये 23 या 24 में आया हुआ है. We start with this question. Now they want to know is कि तुम्हारे को समझ आता है इंटीजर क्या है. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है बस कि इनको पता है इंटीजर क्या है. What are integers? That's the reason this question was framed. अब क्लियर है? So this is the level you have to reach. टफ नहीं है, एनालिटिकल है. आई थिंक अनमोल वॉज एबल टू गेट टू द एंड कि 6 अपॉन एक्स इंटीजर कब होगा. तो अनमोल ने क्या किया, इसने 6 के फैक्टर्स लिख दिए 1, 2, 3 एंड 6. बट इसने ये नहीं चेक किया कि एक्स इंटीजर है तो नेगेटिव वैल्यूज भी अलाउड है. वन मोर स्टेप. क्लियर है? तो वो सीधा क्वेश्चन भी है ना, उसमें भी कुछ टेढ़ा देगा. रिमेंबर दैट. क्लियर गाइस? नाउ ओके. So now we know what are integers, right? No fractions, no decimals till now. Shall we proceed? Guys, shall we proceed? Now see this, all the students, right? So now what do we want? We wanted counting number. 1, 2, 3. Madhuri Dixit, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we wanted 0 because people started calling us 0. What does 0 represent? Nothing. In numbers it represents nothing. In our mind it represents God, right? Then they wanted negative also. They started paper like CAT, CSAT, right? GS paper 1. Negative marks आने लग गए. तो they needed negative integers, they needed negative natural numbers. So suppose I was betting, right? I had 4 horses and I said, I know I'm going to win. So I bet 6 horses, but I lost the bet. So how many horses do I have now? -2. So नेगेटिव नेचुरल नंबर -2 रह गए मेरे पास. ठीक है, उधार हो गया. ठीक है कि नहीं? आए वही यार, प्लीज ये बैग वैग उठाओ यार, बच्चों को बैठने दो प्लीज. हैव अ सीट मैम. नाउ व्हाट डू आई रिक्वायर? नहीं, अभी क्या चाहिए अपने को ना? अनमोल, he has 33 acres of land, and suppose Anmol has 4 children. Suppose now he wants to distribute his land. Kanishk, हर किसी को कितना आएगा? 8.25. So 0.25 is required. We need decimals now, right? That is where rational number comes. Brilliant, brilliant. What are rational numbers? Numbers of the form P upon Q. Numbers of the form P upon Q. Q is not equal to 0. P and Q belongs to integers, and HCF of P and Q is 1. Now we need fractions. P and Q, P upon Q क्या represent किया? Fraction. As I said, Anmol has 33 acres and he has 4 children. So how much land he will give to each of his children? So this would come out to be 32 plus 1 by 4. This is what we do. You would also be good at it after 2-3 classes. We will do divisibility rule. So I have not divided. I know nearest multiple of 4 is 32. तो इधर अपन क्या लिखेगा? 32 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 32 by 4 is 8, isn't it? And 1 by 4 is what? 0.25. Fraction. Because it is land. Land is expensive. It should be equally divided. Nobody is going to be happy with only 8, isn't it? I want my full land, isn't it? So when we started distributing, we needed fractions. When we started dividing, we needed fractions. Yes. Yes, abhi baat karte. You're absolutely right. Now let's talk about it. Pehla, I think he is right. What do you mean by this? First, why Q should not be equal to 0? Because when Q is 0, it is indeterminate. Agreed? Why P and Q should be integers? Because fractions can be negative as well. Fractions can be negative as well. Agreed? And last, why HCF of P and Q is 1? I can tell you the reason, but you can also tell me the reason. When you were solving in your younger classes, right, you had this 10 by 25. What did you do? You cancelled off common factors. What was this? 2 by 5. Why did you cancel off common factors? A fraction can only be written when all the common factors are cancelled and there is no common factor other than 1 between numerator and denominator. That is the reason beta we have written HCF of P and Q is 1. ठीक है, तो लिख लीजिए there should not be any common factor between numerator and denominator. Clear? Good? Sure. Great. Now, my question to you, please, yes or no? Every rational number is an integer. Yes or no? How many of you say yes? Please raise your hands. Every rational number is an integer. Listen, rational numbers would involve fractions. Integers are no fractions. So I was saying it wrong. Actually, लिख लीजिए. Every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. Vice versa is not possible. Vice versa is not possible. Isn't it? Clear? How? Pick up any integer. Bolo go integer. Kindly let me see. Bolo integer. Any integer. -8. Look. -8 can be written as -8 upon 1. P by Q. P by Q. Isn't it? It's a rational. Every integer is a rational. Sir, 0, sir. Kindly write 0 in terms of P upon Q. Look. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by 3. 0 can be written as 0 by 13. P upon Q. Isn't it? Now, there is a fight, right? But 0 is an integer. P and Q belong to integer. So, it doesn't matter. 0 is an integer. Clear? So, please, every integer is a rational number. Write it. Please, this is important. Clear? Every rational number is not an integer. For example, here, if you write 3.5, this is rational but not integer. Isn't it? Isn't it? जैसे 1/3, this is rational, not integer. Got it? Minus of 7/11, rational but not integer. Because these are all fractions. Fractions won't come in integers. Clear? Kindly write it. This is good. And please, this is exactly what I want. Ask me questions. That is how you would get the clarity. Because जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था, never used to ask questions. Because I hated maths. And I hated maths teachers. Isn't it? And then I had a great party when I gave my 10th class exam, maths exam, that it's over. Isn't it? But it has come back. You know? And very competitive exam you would find it. So please, let's go to the basic. Ask your questions. कुछ नहीं है. 4 क्लास के बाद तुम्हें सब समझ में आएगा. उससे पहले सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया is beautiful. Alright, do not shy away, do not hide your problems, right? So I hope now this is clear, isn't it? So what are irrational numbers? Irrational number as a history. What is the meaning of rational in English? Logical, reasonable. What do you mean by irrational? Logical. So there was a misconception. ऐसा तो number ही नहीं exist करते. There's a great fight going on between mathematicians. What is irrational? Right? But then, there are tools under root. Right? So first of all, whenever we think of irrational, we say example is root of 2, root of 3, agreed? Root of 5, root of 7. Is root of 9 irrational? Why? Because what is root of 9? Plus minus 3. Not 3, you are my students. Right? This is plus minus 3, which is a rational number. It's an integer. It's an integer. Right? The root of non-perfect squares. Because 9 is a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. What is root of 16? Plus minus 4. 25 is a perfect square. Isn't it? So, root of prime numbers. They are all irrational. Right? And then, one more example everyone knows from your childhood memories. Example of irrational number? Pi. See? Childhood memory है ना ये? Pi. If I say, what is the area of triangle? Automatically it comes out to be half base into height. वो क्या है, चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी बोलते हैं हम लोग. सो पाई, now whenever they write pi anywhere they say approximate value 22/7. So please do not take pi to be 22/7 and say sir it is irrational. 22/7 is a approximate value. Real value of pi is not known, and that is the reason real area of circle is not known. There would always be an error because area of circle क्या होता है, pi r square. अब pi का exact value नहीं पता है, right? Then how would we know the area of a circle? So you know the toughest rooms to design are circular rooms. If you go and see the architect of India, go and see those forts and those temples and those round arcs, then you should realize it required a hell lot of mathematics, right? Because pi is a unknown quantity. तो उसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना और उस पर वर्क करना. टुडे तो वी हैव सॉफ्टवेयर्स, वी हैव मैथ्स विद अस, वी हैव कैलकुलेटर्स विद अस. थिंक ऑफ those times when there were no instruments. Two geometrical figures have really been important in the history if you talk about construction. One is circle. So circular arches. Have you been to Taj Mahal? Domes, right? You go to Delhi, has beautiful historical places. Humayun tomb, right? If you go, it's beautiful. It's mesmerizingly beautiful actually. If you go to Taj Mahal, it's mesmerizingly good, really good. And second are triangles. If you go to Taj Mahal, just spend 500 to 600 rupees and hire a guide. Then they will show you optical illusion. That building is so beautiful, it has got optical illusions. If you stand this side, तुम्हें कुछ और दिखेगा. If you stand this side, तुम्हें कुछ और दिखेगा. That is only possible when you have knowledge of triangle. क्योंकि फिगर्स में ऑप्टिकल इल्यूजन्स कब बनते हैं, व्हेन यू हैव ट्रायंगल्स की नॉलेज. थिंक ऑफ इजिप्शियंस पिरामिड्स. इफ यू सी देम, oh my god, you cannot imagine how big they are and how well they are framed and how they are able to do it. I am into construction also, so we make buildings. I realize that getting things to 10th floor is very tough. And those buildings were made 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 years back. Those blocks were made. How did they carve it? How did they manage to send it at the top? And the symmetry, maths was there also and relevant also. So dear students, please be good at it. Okay, that's more important, right? So irrational numbers. So definition wise, rational or we call it real minus rational, isn't it? That's something I know a lot of students would say. Real minus rational is irrational, right? Or we also say numbers that cannot be written in terms of P upon Q. We know these definitions, isn't it? अपने को पता है ये दोनों definitions relevant हैं. But होता क्या है सर? कहानी तो ये सर, होता क्या है? What is it? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? Write down. Fractions that are non-terminating and non-recurring या repeating भी कर लो. Non-recurring. Fractions that are non-terminating and non-recurring or non-repeating. We are going to talk about it. Wait, don't worry. ठीक, guys, good. So now I mean to say is, guys, अब problem है. I say, have you seen this number? 0.837 bar. This number is non-terminating, sir. This is 0.837373737 till infinity. Is it an irrational number? No. देखो, this is non-terminating. ये end नहीं हो रहा, right? What is terminating? That ends. Non-terminating means that never ends. So ये terminate नहीं हो रहा है. It is non-terminating. But guys, this number is repeating. देखो, this number is repeating 37, 37, 37, 37. This number is repeating. So this is not an irrational number. Remember, any number with a bar is a rational. Write it. It is a rational number. Any number with a bar is a rational number. Sir, then what is irrational? Irrational number is something like this. Listen. Something like this. 0.837156327943009891156 and so on. चली जा रहा है, रुक ही नहीं रहा. Not able to stop, isn't it? What is this? This is, sir, non-terminating. Yes, sir. Non-recurring. Yes, sir. There is no regular pattern of recurrence. And if I write this number exists. And if this kind of number exists, this is called your irrational number. Irrational number. Not rational. Right? That is the reason we say it cannot be written in terms of P upon Q. Right? That is the reason we say it is non-terminating, non-recurring. And once we try finding value of root 2, it comes out to be 1.414 and so on, so on, so on, so on till infinity. They all tried it. They all failed. They were not able to get the answer. Then that is how the new category was formed. It was called irrational. Abhi clear hai? Guys? Great, huh? Good, badhiya. So now we have a different category other than rational is irrational. Then our friend said, sir, what are real numbers? Real. Get real, huh? Real is rational plus irrational. Right? Real is also minus infinity to infinity. Real is also minus infinity to infinity. Or real we say is any number on the number line. 0, minus infinity, plus infinity. Pick up any number. It's a real number. These are all real numbers. So real is all numbers. And you used to think of integers as all numbers because you used to write integers as minus infinity to infinity. I have written real as minus infinity to infinity, and what is these? These are called open brackets, which means it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. All numbers are real numbers. All is well, guys. Paka? But then, Rishi sir, you said something. You said that any number with a bar is a rational number, and they have asked it 2 times in your exam, right? So if you say it is a rational number, it should be in the form of P upon Q. Have you written till here? Come on, guys.
सर,
हाँ बोलो.
अगर कुछ इंफिनिटी तक जा रहा है तो वो स्टॉप तो वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं हो रहा.
ये ब्रैकेट
ओपन इसीलिए कहते हैं इसको कि ये ओपन है.
जब हम माइनस इंफिनिटी से प्लस इंफिनिटी तक जाते हैं और सेट वाला ब्रैकेट लगाते हैं तो हम उसी को स्टॉप.
तब हम क्या कर रहे थे? हम कैटेगराइज कर रहे थे. वी सेड माइनस इन्फिनिटी 2 -3 -2 -1 1 0 1 2 3. सो इसका मतलब क्या होता है ना, दीज आर ऑल पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट्स, दे ओनली बिलोंग, नॉट एनी अदर एलिमेंट अदर देन दिस, राइट. इधर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, जो मर्जी नंबर से उठा, यहां क्या था, कोई फ्रैक्शन कोई डेसिमल नहीं. दैट्स द रीजन वी पुट इट इन सेट थ्योरी, इसीलिए मैंने उसको सेट लिखा. गॉट इट? अब क्लियर है? चलो, शैल वी प्रोसीड गाइस? So if you want to draw a diagram, now listen, if this represents a set of natural numbers, इसमें 0 ऐड किया तो क्या हो गया, whole numbers, and उसमें negative ऐड किया तो क्या हो गए, integers. Natural are contained in whole, whole are contained in integers, and all integers are rational. Irrational numbers are totally different, and दोनों को ऐड किया क्या हो गया, real. This is a real diagram of the number system. प्रॉब्लम क्या है, लोगों को यही नहीं पता होती. ठीक है, देख लो. सॉरी, आ जाओ. प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ अस डोंट हैव सॉलिड बेसिक्स. आई डोंट नो हाउ, मतलब प्रॉब्लम ही यही है. आई थिंक विद टाइम पैसेज ऑल्सो ना, सिलेबस भी बहुत कम हो गए हैं 11th-12th के, 10th के सिलेबस बहुत कम हो गए हैं. थिंग्स हैव नॉट बीन वेरी क्लियर राइट नाउ. तो सिलेबस ऑफ 11th क्लास is Anmol probably what you would have done twice of it, and when we were in 11th-12th class we would have done 3 to 4 times of it. And when reduction of syllabus, and then I think your generation is to be better. The coming up generation, they are addicted to mobiles. They have a whole knowledge bank is the mobile. So I think your generation would be better if like my daughters, one of them is she is 19 and one is 17. So they ask everything to their mobiles. That's even worse. The real knowledge component is gone down. So मुझे क्या लगता है, मैं मतलब just an advice, मतलब you can take me as your elder brother, maybe your uncle, right? When my daughters are 19, I can be your uncle also, चाचा जी, ताऊ जी, anything. दिस मी टाइम है ना, जो मैं और मेरा मोबाइल, ये नहीं था और इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. मैं और मेरा मोबाइल, चाहे वो आप मूवी देख रहे हो, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, और यू आर ऑन सोशल मीडिया, एंड देर वॉज नो नीड टू टेल पीपल दिस इज व्हाट आई एम, लाइक यू डू इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया साइट, राइट? Probably you go out of Delhi and you put on social media, I am traveling you, right? Nobody cares. Number of likes would never matter in your life. If you know it's going to give you lifeline, probably one more year in your life, then you can do it. This is a time, if you're preparing well, be invisible. खत्म, इनविजिबल हो जाओ, करो अपनी मर्जी से, right? And this is something I vouch by one thing, students from Haryana, too good at it, not scared, feisty, you understand, fighter, feisty होगा. और मोबाइल आज भी, I think there was one guy 77, सुनील झाकड़, he was my student, तो उसके सारे अभी भी इधर ही हैं, सब लोग दोस्त वगैरह लगे हुए हैं for past 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, they don't count the years. And they carry those Nokia mobiles. I've never seen them in mobiles. थोड़ा सा if you can do, change this. You would find ample of time. Actually तुम लोग बोलते हो ना टाइम नहीं बचता, मेरे से बच्चे काफ़ी बोलते हैं, तो क्योंकि अगर तुम इसका वाला टाइम निकाल दो तो बच जाएगा. So do that if you can possibly. I am good at it because we have lived without it when we were young. So probably we are accustomed to it also ना. चलिए अब बार वाला नंबर क्या है, इस बार, सो 0.364 बार. You have to write it in terms of P upon Q. एक ट्रिक है, because you like tricks and they have asked this 2 times in your paper. एक तो 2023 में ही था, people were not able to do it. सुनो, how do you do it? 365 बार, 364 बार, write the number 364, पूरा नंबर लिख लो. This trick is working on 0 point something. Write the whole number. Minus a number जिसके ऊपर बार नहीं है, -3. 364 minus 3. All right? Clear? Write the whole number, पूरा नंबर लिखा 364 minus वो वाला नंबर, the number which doesn't have a bar. 3 does not have a bar, so -3 upon how many numbers with bar? तो जितने नंबर है बार के साथ उतनी बार 9 लिख लो. As many numbers with a bar, as many 9s. All right, listen. And for as many numbers without bar, 0. So your answer is 361 upon 990. Now check your device. That is your mobile. Check out what is 361 upon 990. It would come out to be 0.64 bar. 0.364 bar. Check करो मोबाइल पे. सबके पास है तो है. What is 361 upon 990 on your mobile? तुम्हारे पास नहीं है, छोड़ दे, कुछ नहीं होता, यही है आंसर, ही है, टेंशन मत लो, नो नीड. 0.364 बार. ऑलराइट, वन मोर सर, लेट्स डू वन मोर. ऑलराइट, सो आई से व्हाट इज 0.197 बार. ओनली बार ऑन 7, बार ऑन 7 ओनली. कम ऑन, डू इट. ये चलो करो. देखिए, दिस इज 197 माइनस 19, क्योंकि 19 डज नॉट हैव अ बार. ठीक है, माइनस 19 अपॉन नंबर्स विद बार ओनली 19, नंबर्स विद नो बार 00. सो 197 माइनस 19 comes out to be 178 upon 900. ठीक है guys, is it okay? Okay. What do you say of this? 0.77 bar plus 0.52 bar. What is this? 47 bar plus 52 bar. करो. ठीक है. The relevance of the question is this only. 1. See, 47 by 99, because the 47 has no number, 0.47 bar has no number without bars, so it is 47 by 99. Guys, is it okay? Is it okay, everyone? This guy, okay, good. And then 52 by 99, which comes out to be 99 times 47 plus 52, which is 99 by 99, which is equal to 1. लीजिए, होता है. Clear? So I say what is 0.713, correct, sorry, 0.178 बार, 0.718 बार, 18 के ऊपर बार है. कम ऑन, 711 होगा, 711 होगा, I think so, isn't it? All right, see this. It is 718 minus the number without bar is 7. As many bars, as many nines. Without bar, 0. 711 by 990. And in your exam, what did they give? I think 22, 23. Shall I erase this? This was 1.23 bar. 1.23 bar. Now, if this comes, they would always go one step ahead, you know. So, you know 0 point something, they have given you 1 point something. So, don't worry. Can't we write it as 1 plus 0.23 bar? That's how it is, which is 1 plus 23 by 99. So easy, right? Take 99 LCM. 99 plus 23, which comes out to be 122 by 99. Done. This was a question in UPSC 22-23. So ऐसा नहीं है, they don't give you, always give you tough questions. In 2023 also, there were good 12-15 questions that were easily manageable. But the point was, there were very tough questions also. And you being, you know, youngsters, when you see a lot of tough questions, you generally give up. ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. Or you just bang yourself only कि, you know, ये मेरे से बाहर है. If the paper is tough, na, it's tough for everyone. Remember my words. In that case, change the strategy. Start finding easy questions. All right. And most of you then, you know, turn to RC, reading comprehension. But believe me, reading comprehension is also tough. All right. So, good enough, guys. So, today, one thing is very sure. Number system won't be a problem. Agreed. This won't ever be a problem. Chalega? Pakka? Now, I say prime numbers, composite numbers, factors. These are really, really important. Past 3 years, prime numbers and factors, good 10 to 11 questions. Past 3 years only. उससे पहले पूछता ही नहीं था. Last year also P, Q, R are prime numbers in your exam, right? So they ask prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Anyone? Yeah, I think that is what we say. Prime is. No, we don't define the factors. We won't define the factors, the numbers divisible by 1 and by itself. We don't write like this. That was wrong. 1 is divisible by 1, 1 is divisible by itself, 1 is not a prime number. ठीक है. So you write prime numbers with two factors. Numbers having only two factors, they are prime numbers. And when we are talking about prime, composite and factors, we are speaking about natural numbers. They are all natural numbers. Prime numbers are all part of natural numbers. This is something you should take care. Clear है? ये natural number की बात हो रही है. Which means there is no negative prime number. Got it? And then numbers with two factors. Example: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, right? 41, 43, 47, and so on. Check it out. Every number written in this set has only two factors. 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3. Isn't it? सबके दो factors हैं. चलेगा? Clear है? Then what are composite? Now you cannot say numbers that are not prime are composite. I don't take it. Because 1 is not a prime number, but 1 is also not a composite number. So you cannot say, sir, natural numbers that are not prime are composite. Wrong. Alright. So what are composite numbers? Numbers with 3 or more factors. Numbers with 3 or more factors. They are composite. No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. There are 3 categories: prime, composite, 1, which is neither prime nor composite. You used to think of only 2 categories. Alright. So for example, what are composite? 6 is a composite number. Why? Factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. अभी क्वेश्चन में किया हम लोगों ने, isn't it? Then 12 is a composite number. Factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Composite. Clear? चलेगा? Right. एक क्वेश्चन, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन 2024. इंटीजर पे क्वेश्चन है. He says x, y and z belong to integer such that x plus y plus z is equal to x into y into z. How many such x, y and z are possible? Option number 1, 1. Option number 2, 2. Option number 3, 3. Option number 4, infinite. X, y and z are integers. Then sum of तीनों का sum is equal to product of all 3. How many such sets x, y, z के ऐसे कितने possible हैं? बताइए. just came into my mind. I thought because we have done integers, so we should be able to do this as well. Answer क्या है? Had it been x, y and z are natural, this was 2016 question. Right? Had it been x, y, z are natural, in that case there is only one possible thing. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. We call it uncle's question. When we were young, 8th, 9th class, there was always an uncle in the family who used to ask these stupid questions, isn't it? And he used to say, "Idhar aa, tere ko maths aata hai," and we used to hate him, isn't it? So, ऐसे 3 numbers का sum is equal to product of 3 numbers. When x, y and z are natural, this is the only possible solution, right? But now x, y and z are बच्चों integers. So one more, 1 minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 6 is equal to minus 6. दो हो गए. Any more? Any more? लो, minus 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum of 3 integers, minus 1, 0 and 1 is 0, is equal to product of 3 integers, minus 1 into 0 into 1. कितने हो गए? और है कोई? और है कोई? That's it. Remember, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. They wanted you to know it. They wanted you should know it. But the killer, are there 3 solutions? 99% of the CSAT teachers on the video said there are 3. What about this? Minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 into 0 into 2. Minus 3 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to minus 3 into 0 into 3. There are infinite many solutions. There are infinite many solutions. How do we know it? They give, we just let me finish number system, you'll know everything. A lot of things that you were not knowing. Because I'm going to do a lot of PYQs this time. That is something I used to give as an assignment. Now I'm going to do it in the class only. So that you guys get killed in the class only. You don't get killed in the, your rooms or maybe in your PG rooms or maybe in libraries. Because this is where you don't get solutions, you get hassled. We have to have solutions now. And this is going to be a class full of solutions. I'm going to do all PYQs of number system here only. I am changing everything. मैं कराऊंगा time and work. I'll do all PYQs of time and work here only. खत्म. जितना मर्जी देखो यार, this has to be done. It is not working otherwise. ठीक है. I have been doing it time and again. I realized that if we have to be successful, we have to do solving. And this is something that was missing. Now it won't be missing. All right. So abhi clear hai guys? Just came into my mind. So now again prime, 2 factors, composite, 3 or more factors, and there is third category, neither prime nor composite. It's 1 which has got only 1 factor. 1 has got only 1 factor, neither prime nor composite. That is the reason it is neither prime nor composite. Alright, and now we know composite are those numbers जिसके बहुत सारे multiple factors होते हैं. So they start asking you number of factors. They have started asking you about number of factors. उससे पहले I am again writing something. I say prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. Observation wise, you would see something. There is only one even prime number. Even prime. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. All remaining prime numbers are odd, 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 odd. Agreed? Only one of them is even. Only one of them is even. Clear? Done? Is it okay? Great. And then Then why are prime numbers important? That is something we need to know. A lot of questions are coming with prime numbers. Since childhood also we were doing prime numbers. And have you got an idea why prime numbers are important? Lego. Important point. every number can be put in terms of prime numbers. Every number can be put in terms of prime numbers. So, which means prime numbers are DNA of number system, yaar. If every number can be written in terms of prime number, suppose sir, what do you mean by this? I say you have a random number. I take suppose I take 36. 36 is what? You used to do it like this: 36 to 18, isn't it? 2, 9, and then 3, 3, and then 3, 1. So 36 is actually 2 square into 3 square. What is 2 prime? What is 3 prime? The method was called factorization. Isn't it? Suppose I say 108. 108 divided by 2, isn't it? 54. Divided by 2, 27. Divided by 3, 9. Divided by 3, 3. Divided by 3, 1. Remember you used to make these antennas? Yaad hai? So this is called 108 is 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 3. See, 2 has 2 powers and 3 has 3 powers. And I don't know whether you knew कि हम लोग prime में convert कर रहे हैं, but we used to do exactly same, isn't it? So this method is called factorization. All right. So now please just remember that we don't have to do a lot of factorization in your exam. Reason? Space nahi hai. You don't have a space. So divisibility rules will come into play. As I write 108, I know it's a multiple of 9. That is something that should work. So if you are doing in your exam 108, you can write it as 2 times 54, which is 2 into 2 times 27, which is 3 into 3 into 3. Look, factorization done in one step only. Agreed? For example, I'll tell you what kind of questions they are giving. Kindly write it, please. So you should be good at factorization. Maybe in a two classes you would be good. We will do a lot of divisibility rule. Everything turns out to be divisibility rule. Write down, this is important. Factorization. So if I have a random number, I say factorize 2430. This is a random number used by UPSC in 2023 exam. 2430. Factorize this. So what would you do? Single line में क्या करेगा? You should do 243 into 10. And 243 3 है, 3 का multiple है 2 4 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3 divisibility rules. It's a multiple of 3. We will do it. Don't worry. So this comes out to be 3 into 81 into 2 into 5. 243 is 3 into 81, right? And then this comes out to be 3 into 81 is what? 3 की power 4 into 2 की power 1, 5 की power 1, which comes out to be 2 की power 1 into 3 की power 5 into 5 की power 1. लीजिए UPSC question. I won't do the question right now. I'll do it in a day. The question was different, but factorization was required. Factorization was required. I was like feeling something. Hey, put your mobile down, poor lads. Gen Z. Yeah, Gen Z is right. You can make it happen also. A lot of you. Headphones. I used to carry these headphones 2-3 years back. I found it them very comfortable, but I sweat a lot. So that's the reason I discarded them. Now I carry these ones. Otherwise, I used to carry wired ones. Wired music is better quality actually. It's okay. Okay, bandi rehne do isko. Alright, so now, shall we move ahead, guys? Alright, so now, see this. What we were talking is factorization, right? Ruko. I say factorize. I won't want today, this class is onwards now, I'll do make you work a lot. Factorize 9600. Come on, factorize it. Come on. बढ़िया. Come on, guys. Not done? Good. So try not to make an antenna. 96 and 200. These classes I'm going to do a lot of hand holding. Alright. 96 into 100. What is 100? 10 into 10. Right. And what is 96? Either you say 16 into 6. Right. I think if you are comfortable with tables, I don't think many of you would be comfortable with tables. So you can say, sir, 2 into 48 into 10 into 10. अभी 48 तो आई थिंक इजी 16 3 था बट सर नहीं यहाँ पे इन्हीं को 16 का टेबल नहीं आता था 24 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 because over there also you have to factorize. Alright, and then 24 तो is easy ना 2 into 2 24 is 8 into 3 into 2 square into 5 square. So I combine these two and these two together. Alright, and then how many? This is 1 2 2 की power 3. This is 2 square into 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 1 into 2 square into 5 की power 2. Right, which comes out to be 2 की power. How many are these? This plus this plus this 7 into 3 की power 1 into 5 की power 2. You should be good at it. 2430 was in your exam only and you had to factorize it. Clear hai? So I hope factorization would be good. When we do divisibility rules, it would be really good. Don't worry. When we will do divisibility rule, tomorrow we will do divisibility rule. उसके बाद factorization will turn out to be more easy because हमें number देखते ही पता चल जाता है कि 96 is a multiple of 6. Isn't it? So that would actually be more easy. But don't worry, that would be tomorrow, right? So is it clear? So I say find number of factors of 10. Number of factors of 10 क्या होंगे? 1 2 5 10. Sir, very easy. Sir, this is a easy question, isn't it? I say find number of factors of 9 25 49 121 and so on. 9 के फैक्टर कितने होंगे? 1 3 9. सर 3 फैक्टर्स. 25 के फैक्टर्स कितने होंगे? 1 5 25. सर 3 फैक्टर्स. 49 के कितने होंगे? 1 7 49. सर फिर से 3. Sir, what are you saying? Are you writing something? I want you to understand something. What is 121? 11 का स्क्वायर एंड फैक्टर्स 111 and 121. So listen, any prime number का whole square always would have 3 factors. If they say I have a number with 3 factors, it is prime number का square. Write it. Prime number का square would always have 3 factors. Prime number का square would always have 3 factors. Number का square would always have. See, live is going on. Is it okay? So now we are aware that if a number is having 3 factors, it's a square of a prime number. Otherwise not possible. Right? Clear? Chali, great. So, and if I say find number of factors of 48, find number of factors of 48. Nine. Anyone else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 factors. Numbers that divide 48. Factors would be what? Numbers that divide the given number. Agreed? Clear? है ना? So then my question to you is, find number of factors of 9600. Can you manually count it? कर ही नहीं सकता. Not possible, sir. How would you check? How many numbers would you check? 48 was a small 2-digit number, isn't it? So it was we were easily able to do it, right? So now remember one thing. They put a question on this, right? Not 9600. They asked number of factors of a certain number, right? Whenever you are asked to find number of factors, factorize the number. So you factorize it. What is 9600? I think most of you have done it, isn't it? 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 2. Agreed? So put it in terms of prime number. What is factorization? Prime numbers की form में हमने we put numbers in the term of prime numbers. Done? You would have to work, you would have to factorize, right? And if guys you have a number n which is p to the power a into q to the power b into r to the power c, where p, q, r, these are all prime numbers, then number of factors क्या होंगे? Number of factors of n would be a plus 1, power में please add 1, into b plus 1, power में please add 1, into c plus 1, and so on. And so on. So whenever you are having a number in terms of prime numbers, you are given a number, factorize it. So once you factorize it, it comes out to be in terms of prime numbers. In the powers, add 1, 7 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and multiply. This is 8 into 2 into 3, 8 into 6. It has 48 factors. It has 48 factors. All right. And out of these factors, what are proper factors? 1 and the number are always called proper factors, right? So what are proper factors? What are proper factors? Number 1 and the number itself, they are proper factors. So in 9600 there are two proper factors, 1 and 9600, and baki what are improper? Other than proper, other than proper factors, other than proper factors, right? So how many improper factors does this number have? 46. Total are 48, 2 are proper, so 46 factors would be improper. Ye likh lo. This is something new. Last some PCS exam they asked. Listen, when you have 48 factors, out of which proper factors kaun se hote hain? Proper factors are 1 and the number itself. All right. So in 9600, proper factors are 1 and 9600. So how many are improper? Total 48 the 2 were proper. Improper are 46. So can I say this? You asked the question, I ask you a question. Prime numbers do not have improper factors. True? They only have proper factors because prime number is divisible by 1 and by itself only. Now, square of a prime number would have one improper factor. Square of a prime number would have one improper factor. Square kar lo prime ka 25, 25. So its factors are 1, 5 and 25. 1 and 25 are proper factors. 5 is a improper factor. These are the kind of things they are asking nowadays in your exam. Alright, is it clear now? A pakka? Chalo. So I say,
Sir,
yes sir.
logic क्या है कि power पे one add करके multiply नहीं?
We would talk about it in permutations and combinations. There are, suno, if you want to, do you know maths after 10th kiye? Nahi kiya? Permutation combination we will do it. Alright. We call it selection out of identical objects. So there are basically kya beta? There are 7 2s, there is 1 3 and there are 2 5s. And factor क्या होता है? Pick up any one of them. तो अपन हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कॉम्बिनेशन में पिकअप करते रहते, ठीक है? वो परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन में द टॉपिक वुड बी सिलेक्शन आउट ऑफ आइडेंटिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. चलें आगे बढ़े. सर परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन वुड बी डन. Yeah. They asked 5 questions in 2023. They asked 3 questions in 24. They asked 2 questions in 22. Last year they asked 1 question. Now if you go by the rule of probability, 26 might be heavy on permutation combination. I sometimes pity you guys because there are a lot of students those who come to us in the month of February and March. Sir, hame bacha lo. And then there are people those who buy those courses by IITians. Well, are you really impressed? I think there is a whole logic that is working against it, right? You're impressed? I don't know. Then you go for cheap courses. My course is available on Telegram, 550 rupees. Go buy it. Nobody till date, every class, my number. Nobody has till date messaged me. Only one child last year that I did a Telegram course and I cleared pre. Then she messaged me, I could not clear mains. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Do anything. It's more of a shopping spree that is going on. 10 years back, most of the students have a room full of books. Sara books kitabon se bhara hua. Then, 5 years back, students have, room full of notes from these, bookshops. Now, students have mobiles full of videos. Doesn't work that way. Come attend the classes. Gurukul, Rit Sada Chali Ai. Itne bade, such rich kings, they used to send their children to Gurukuls. There is a logic behind learning. And there would always be a logic behind learning. राइट, गांव में पढ़ा हूँ मैं, आई हैव स्टडीड इन अ विलेज, सो आई अंडरस्टैंड क्लासरूम लर्निंग इज बेसिकली building up of knowledge. You know, mobile learning is useless. I telling you, a lot of people are selling, and then a lot of students say, sir, your course is available. I say, let it be. Whatever we do in classrooms, this aptitude cannot be solved by videos, cannot be solved by branding. First day we are doing it. I just challenge anyone in the market, right? आप कोर्स देखो, राइट, चेकआउट यूपीएससी क्वेश्चंस क्या पूछ रहे, इधर से पूछ रहे. सो देर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड बेसिक बिल्डिंग, राइट. सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स, कम बैक, सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स, कम बैक. दैट्स कॉल्ड बेसिक बिल्डिंग फॉर एप्टीट्यूड. ऑलराइट, एंड इट वुड ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम फॉर कैट, फॉर एसएससी, फॉर बैंक पीओ, फॉर इंश्योरेंस पेपर्स, ईपीएफओ. आई थिंक ईपीएफओ आ रहा है. हु इज अपेयरिंग फॉर ईपीएफओ? No one is appearing for EPFO. I think EPFO AIO is coming on Sunday. No one is appearing. Why? Is it like number of chances are stipulated in EPFO also? पता ही नहीं था. मोबाइल पे कुछ अच्छा भी देख लिया करो. Find number of factors of 2340. Number of factors of 2340. 2430 यार. 24. Factorize. We have done the factorization, I think. 2430 is 243 into 2 into 5, which is 2 की power 1. 243 is 3 की power 5 into 5 to the power 1. So it is 1 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 6 into 2. 24. 24. There are 24 numbers that divide 2430. Clear? Alright, इसी क्वेश्चन में find number of even factors of 2430. Find number of even factors of 2430. इतना बुरा तो नहीं है. 6-7 तो मुझे ही दिख रहे हैं. 12 हैं. 12. Okay, whenever you need to find even factors, now please pay attention. For even factors, पहले क्या करो, find odd factors. Whenever you know even factors, find odd factors. Total number of factors are 24. Odd factors कितना होगा? How many factors would be odd factor? There is only one even prime number. उसको hide कर लो. क्या बचा? 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 1. So you are left with 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 1. Alright, so odd factors would be factors from here. So कितना factor है ये? 5 plus 1 power में 1, 1 plus 1 power में 1 add करो, 6 2 जा 12. So number of odd factors 12. Remember, this is important. Number of odd factors 12. What do? You hide 2 and its powers. Is it okay? ओ पक्का बताओ. राइट, सो एक बार तुमने you hid your power of 2 and its power, all other prime numbers are odd, तो उनके फैक्टर फाइंड कर लो, that would be odd factors. So number of even factors would be total minus odd. Total is 24, odd is 12. So there are 12 even factors, not 2 factors, 3 factors, right? 12. Because देखो यार, any odd factor when multiplied by 2 would be even. तो खुद देखो ना, 3, 2 3s are 6, so 6 is there. 3 square is 9, 2 9s are 18, 27 2s are 54. So 2 multiply होता रहेगा. Then you know 2 into 5 is 10, again even. Then 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 square into 5, 2 into 3 cube into 5. Getting my point? तो ऐसे भी count हो जाएंगे, no need. Whenever you want to find even, kindly write it. कहीं important लिख लो. It would be total minus odd. It would be total minus odd factors. Good? Good, guys? So now we know even odd, right? My next question. Find number of prime factors of 2430. Find number of prime factors of 2340. So now, yes, you're right here. I think 2430 is what? It is 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 5, 5 to the power 1. Then number of prime factors are these: 1, 2, 3. So prime factors 3. जितना प्राइम नंबर है उनको लिख दो. Don't count their parts. Don't count their parts. Can you write it? No issues. No, because here 3 square is 9, which is not prime, which is not a prime number. है ना? For example, Kanishk, I write number n, which is 2 की power 3, 3 की power 4, 5 की power 2, 7 की power 3, 11 की power 2, 13 की power 7. Find number of prime factors. How many prime factors are there? 6. See, great. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 6 prime factors. जितना prime number लिखा है उतना लिख दो. That's it. Is it clear now? It's not tough. Count the prime numbers on the factorization base. Is it okay? All right. So find number of prime factors of m, which is 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 into 4 की power 2 into 5 की power 2 into 9 की power 3 into 7 की power 4. 4? Because now I'm tricking you, right? Now you may say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. But out of them, this is not a prime number, isn't it? So this is actually 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2. This is 2 की power 4 and then 5 की power 2 and then 3 की power 9 की power 3. It is actually 3 की power 6 and 7 की power 4. Right? So now which comes out to be 2 की power 7 into 3 की power 8 into 5 की power 2 and 7 की power 4. Sir, there are 4 prime factors. They trick you like this. करते हैं जान के trick तुम्हें. Alright, so then if there is no prime number, then convert it into prime number. Convert it into prime number. Kindly write it, this is important. Clear? Clear? So, shall we proceed? लिख लो, kindly write. If I go out of the class, how would you be studying, huh? तुम टी शर्ट पहन के घूम रहे, ठंड नहीं लग रहा है? Oh yeah. Delhi showcases everything in one day, isn't it? Extreme cold, extremely polluted, extremely beautiful sometimes. Night is extremely beautiful when nobody is on the streets, isn't it? Then extremely rough. People are very rough. I don't know. I find people to be very rough. If you go to Mumbai, people are really loving. You go to Chennai, loving people. Till the time you don't talk. Because if you speak in Hindi or English, then they understand you are not a local. Allah! That is what they do so beautiful. Whenever you're driving in Chennai, somebody is shouting at you. Chennai is beautiful. I don't know. Anyone from Chennai? Chennai is beautiful in that part. You're driving on road, somebody is going to do wrong driving, and then they realize this is a Punjabi. This is not a Tamilian. And it's Allah, Allah. And you don't know, you just give a smile because you don't know what he's doing. Actually, he's abusing you, right? And you're happy, yes, sir, I am like that. Huh? All right. So, number of prime factors, 3, isn't it? Now, my question to you is, see, we are talking about 2430 for such a long time. Why? Because it was in the exam 2024. So, I don't want to miss this number, isn't it? Find number of prime factors of 2430, you said 3. Isn't it? You said 3. So we count the prime numbers. If I say find total number of composite factors of 2430. Find total number of composite factors of 2430.
Minus 3.
21. How many? 21. Sir, there are total factors are 24. 3 are prime. Minus 1. Neither prime nor composite. There are 3 categories. Prime, composite, neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Killer hai ye. Option number 1 would be 21. And 20 won't be the option. None of these hoga. He says find total number of composite factors. You said, sir, 24 are total factors. Sir, total minus prime. 3 are prime factors. And 1 is neither prime nor composite. वो भी तो minus करेगा. So total composite factors are 20. Very, very important. One is neither prime nor composite. Is it okay? Why are you so dead? Is it okay? Good. I wish you become IPS officers. And if you don't say yes, sir, they're going to throw you out on the day 1 of the training. Huh? Keep it simple, remember that. In your preparation, very basic funda. Students from villages have cleared this paper. Right? They have a very rustic approach. I'm a village boy. Right? I have a very rustic approach. I don't know whether you believe in it or not. I have a very simple approach in life. If you're into it, do it well. Then you should not be feeling the pressure. That's very simple. You made a choice to get into it. Then there should not be any pressure. It was your choice. Right? Then go for it. और हरियाणा में बोलते हैं ना रो भाई जो करेंगे तो करेंगे भाई रोकेंगे नहीं. It works. That is how, and UPSC is beautiful. If you check out the selection list, then you would realize it's beautiful. The selected candidates are coming from whole India, from diverse backgrounds, and they are able to select what they want. I'm telling you this. Now, if you want to be there, right, then remember, if you are into it, go for it. Anyone who's having a second thought, anyone who's doubting yourself, that's a big question mark in your preparation. Not in your character, not in your personality. In your preparation, it's a question mark. एंड बी प्रिपेयर्ड. आई थिंक मनु गर्ग, अभी तुम लोगों ने वीडियो भी देखा होगा उसका, राइट? मनु गर्ग वॉज हेयर फॉर 2 years. Manu Garg is rank 91. I treat him as rank 1, or maybe, you know, if there is a bigger rank than rank 1, I'll give him that rank. He had only, I think, 15% visibility by his eyes. He is a PSIR student of math. Yes, है ना? He was here in this class. He cleared 23 exam. Then he again came for CSAT classes. He cleared 24 exams. The logic. He was very clear. I think if you see his interview with me, you would realize it. He was very clear. I cleared 2023 exam but could not clear the mains. And then, you know, I came back. I joined the classes again in 2024. Because CSAT में कोई course नहीं हो. CSAT is aptitude. In case of aptitude, you cannot say, my course is over, I have done classes with Rishi sir, now it's over. There was a student in 5th attempt. First 4 attempt, CSAT cleared every time. 5th attempt, could not clear. 6th attempt, she is appeared. She is going for interview. She met me, I think last time I was here. So she met me. She started her preparation in 2019 with us. So एक बार पेपर नहीं क्लियर हुआ. Last year she again joined CSAT classes. 4 years she cleared. Right. 5th year she could not clear. Then she again realized there is my problem. Then she again joined me, and this time she has cleared. She is you know, going for interview. I met her in here only at you know, the parking lot. So she said this बार हो गया, interview आ गया. But do you understand? Putting your 6 years of life into it. That's how it is. Alright? So it's like Angad. I love Angad's philosophy. अगर ये पैर रख दिया ना, अब तो हिलेगा नहीं. जहां तुम्हारी ये फिलॉसफी आ गई तुम कर जाओ. Remember my words, okay? So ये क्लियर है. Composite क्लियर, right? So I have a number 9600, right? Which was, guys, 2 की पावर 7 into 3 की पावर 1 into 5 की पावर 2. Alright? Find total number of factors. Find total number of factors. Now I am giving you questions, right? Second, total number of odd factors. Come on, start. Total number of even factors. Total number of prime factors. Total number of composite factors, and last, total number of factors that are multiple of 6. Total number of factors that are multiple of 6. Sure. Come on, you have 5 minutes. Get it done. लास्ट वाला आंसर बताओ. जिसमें डाउट है वो आंसर बोल. कितने? लास्ट में नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स दैट आर मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 कितने? हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स आर देयर दैट आर मल्टीपल ऑफ 6? पावर वाला लॉजिक है और कुछ नहीं. कम ऑन, गेट मी दिस आंसर. कम ऑन गाइस, गेट मी दिस आंसर. Come on. Hey, these are easy things, yeah. First one is 48. We know it. 48. First is 48. It's 7 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 8 into 2 into 3, 48. number of even factors. Number of odd factors find करो पहले. Number of odd factors would be 2 into 3, isn't it? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 into 3 is 6. So number of even would be 48 minus 6 is 42. Everyone, is it clear? We have done one more even odd. I am expecting even factors this year. Very clearly telling you, I am expecting it. That's the reason I am doing it again and again. Then number of यार ये तो even तो हो गया था. Number of odd even तो हो गया, ठीक है ना? Number of prime factors 3, isn't it? 3 कौन कौन से? 2, 3, 5. Number of composite factors, it is 48 minus 3 minus 1, guys. Minus 1, 45 नहीं है, 44. ये ध्यान रखना है. All right. And number of factors that are multiple of 6. So you have 2 की power 7, 3 की power 1, 5 की power 2. So 2 and 3 common comes out to be 2 की power 6 into 5 की power 2. So take 2 out, 3 out. All right, please, this is important. Take 2 out, take 3 out. Now this number is 6 outside, and any number, any factor that comes from here would be a multiple of 6, isn't it? If you take 6 common and now you find number of factors from here, suppose you say 1 is a factor, so जब बाहर आएगा तो 6 is a factor. You say sir 2 is a factor over here, 2 into 6 is 12 is a factor. So you take 6 common. Now kindly find factors of this number. कितना होगा? 6 plus 1, 2 plus 1, isn't it? Power 1, power 1, 7 into 3, 21 factors that are multiple of 6. 21. What is 6? Combination of 2 and 3. We have this number. 2 की power 7, 3 की power 1, 5 की power 2. Take 2 out, take 3 out. How much is left? 2 की power 6, 3 gone, and 5 की power 2. Now if you find number of factors from here, all the factors would be multiple of 6. So number of factors from here would be 6 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. 7 into 3, 20. Clear है? Anything? All right, let's see. Find number of factors of 9600 that are multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. बताओ. That are multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. 28. 28. Okay, let's see. A multiple of 10 कितना आ रहा है यार? इधर देखो, take 2 common, take 5 common. What are you left inside? 2 की power 6, 3 की power 1, 5 की power 1. Now factors of this number would be 6 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 7 into 2 into 2, 28. अभी ठीक है, तो दो के कॉमन ले लो बस यार, नथिंग एल्स. अभी factorization won't be tough, and by tomorrow once we do divisibility rules थोड़ा और easy हो जाएगा factorization. All right, now next, and yes guys, my name is Rishi, Bhargava. Please note down my number 9888885940. This is my WhatsApp number. You can send me a message today by evening or by tomorrow evening. I'll form a Telegram channel. I want this time to have solving. So I'll give you basic assignment every day, some test every day, so that you get involved. All right. So please send me a message today. All of you who are enrolled, right? Anyone who is here, right? Send me a message. I'll put you in this Telegram group so that we can do a lot of solving, lot of assignment sharing. So I would be giving you booklet over here. A proper booklet would be given. But other than that, any PYQs, material, any extra material, any small test, short test, you're most welcome, right? But I won't send it on WhatsApp. Kindly send me a message. I would add you in a Telegram channel, and it's easy to communicate through Telegram actually. No, it would be a different channel for you. If I put you on my regular channels, you will get really bizarre. They're like, it goes very fast. पता ही नहीं चलता है. You would have a different channel. That's what I want, right? So that we know that this is the class we are into. We'll give you class schedule and mentorship sessions. With this, I promise you that suppose you want to solve your problems and you don't want to come to the class, we will arrange Zoom sessions. This is the only coaching institute in whole India. For past 4 years, we have been giving unlimited Zoom sessions to the students. Online Zoom to the students, right? You just tell us कि सर रात को 9 से 10 बैठना है और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कर. We are in. I think last 4 years we would have done 4,200 hours of Zooms. Nobody gives you this facility. You can sit every day on Zoom with us कि सर मुझे नहीं समझ आया, मुझे ये assignment समझाओ, मुझे ये problem करवाओ. We are in it. That's the reason, obviously a lot of students know me in the market. If I go in the market, generally I was living in Old Rajendra Nagar. I left Old Rajendra Nagar, I'm living somewhere else. इधर तो सब लोग जानते थे मुझे. A lot of Zoom happens, lot of students come, they attend all those Telegram classes also. I know everyone meets me and then they laugh and say, who are you, sir? Online student, right? I understand that. But this is one facility only you would have. Suppose आपको घर में बैठे ट्रबल आ गया, राइट? आप बोल दो सर 9 से 10 में जूम कर लो प्लीज. Let's do it. We'll do it. But it would be informed in this Telegram channel. मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए information. So that if you are having a Zoom session, somebody else also wants to join. कि सर मैं भी join कर लो? कर लो. सर वो numbers की problem कर रहे हैं, हम Zoom session कर लें? हाँ कर लो. And that Zoom session, a official Zoom session from Shubhra Ranjan IAS would be put in your panel. जो पैनल तुम्हें मिलता है उसमें Zoom session problem solving are there recorded available there. This is one advantage nobody else can give in the market. Problem solving. People are selling it by the name of mentorship actually. हम problem करवाएंगे. हम लोग 4 साल से कर रहे हैं. Previous year student, 4 years we have been doing it. कि तुम्हें problem है आ जाओ. And then also there is a problem. I can come to the institute or you can meet me anywhere. A lot of students तो घर ही बैठे रहते थे. That's the reason मैंने Old Rajendra Nagar छोड़ा. Most of the time when exam is very near, April, May, I cannot tell you how many students were there at home. Sir, कराओ. रात को बैठो sir कराओ. We would do it. I want result. Any cost. My student should have a rank. And for past 3-4 years, ranks have been here. Rank 2 Animash Pradhan was my student. Rank 91 Manu was my student. And there are many more. I don't even remember the names. These are like unique. Manu was like, I cannot tell you amount of hard work that boy has put on. In ma'am's classes also, oh my God. With no visibility actually, with very less visibility. And that boy was able to get 91. So I understand that rankers preference is always very solid. मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें, उनको पता है कहाँ पढ़ना है. ठीक है, बाकी तो मार्केट में तो सब कुछ बिकता है. ठीक है, एडिडास की जगह एबिबास भी मिलता है. सामने ही मिलता है साथ में करोल बाग मार्केट में एबी बास। तो मेरे को मैसेज भेज देना सब लोग, मैं एक जूम वो टेलीग्राम चैनल आई मेक एंड आई ऐड ऑल ऑफ यू, राइट, एंड इट वुड बी वन टाइम इन्विटेशन। ऑलराइट, सिर्फ एक बार इनवाइट आएगा, ऐसा नहीं मैं बार बार नहीं भेजूंगा, राइट। चलिए, सो अभी फैक्टर्स में कोई ट्रबल तो नहीं है गाइस, अभी कोई फैक्टर में ट्रबल तो नहीं है, पक्का, श्योर, चलो ग्रेट। Then now remember I want quick calculations. आज के बाद quick calculation is the key. Right now solving, मैं अभी कहीं पे I am solving time and work की problems. Now we have done number system before. Now students are able to do calculations like this. क्योंकि नंबर सिस्टम में वी टीच कैलकुलेशंस, राइट। नाउ प्रॉपर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स देख लो, व्हाट इज 43 into 44। नाउ गाइस प्लीज पे अटेंशन, डोंट राइट, जस्ट लुक एट इट। देखो इधर देखो प्लीज, व्हाट इज 4 3s are 12, to return 1 carry। फर्स्ट स्टेप, बार ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, ऑलराइट। सेकंड स्टेप, बार ऑन 2 digits। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बार ऑन 2 digits? Cross multiply, add। 4 4s are 4 3s are 12 plus 16 28, 28 plus 1 29, 9 here 2 carry। Bar on 2 is what? Cross multiply, add, right? And then bar on the left hand side, 4 4s are plus 2, your answer is 1892। It's like this. If you say AB, bar on this, bar on this, bar on this. Bar on the right hand side is multiplication of these two. Bar on 2 digits is cross multiply, add. Bar on the left is multiplication of these 2 digits. Get your answer. एक और करें? Let's do it one more time. करो, चलो। 43 into 53. अभी देख लेते हैं। डन, वेरी नाइस। देखो फिर से गाइस, दोज हु आर फाइंडिंग इट थोड़ा सा टफ, जस्ट गो द प्रोसेस, गो विद द प्रोसेस। 3 3s are, if you are smart, in the option your answer should end with 9। any answer that is not ending with 9, cross it, फायदा हो रहा है, it's useful, right? and then bar on 2, cross multiply 12, cross multiply 15, 3 4s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 12 plus 15 27, 27 7 over here 2 carry। your real answer should end with 79। in the options any other answer should be cancelled, right? and the last one, this into this, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 2279। easy like a piece of cake। only thing is we have not been doing it, isn't it? shall we do one more? good, positive, very nice। थोड़े से हैप्पी लोग दिखे मुझे। 72 into 56, come on। यार वो लिख दो, आई एम फ्रॉम SRIAS, मैसेज में भी लिख दो SRIAS जो मैसेज भेज रहे। हाँ, 4032, कम ऑन गाइस, 4022। अरे देखते हैं, चलो लुक, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry guys, cross multiply 42, cross multiply 10, 6 7s are 42, 5 2s are 10, 42 plus 10 is 52, plus 1 is 53, 3 carry, sorry 53, 3 लिखा, 5 carry, all right। and then multiply these two, 5 3s are 35, 35 plus 5 4032। अभी भी 2 2 बोल रहा है। shall I do it again? Is it okay? Carry with you, no? There is carry also. 1 is there, right? So 3 आ जाए। ज़्यादा ना करें, लो फिर 17, 23, 34, 46, 57 into 71, 34, 43, 63, 76. This is A, this is B. All right, giving you only 5 minutes. Time starts now. You know what you have to do. Time is 4:14. Listen to me what you have to do. मैंने 1 मिनट ज़्यादा दे दिए. 17 into 71, 17 into 34, 17 into 43, 17 into 63, 17 into 76. Right? Then 23 into 71, 23 into 34, 73 into 43, 23 into 63, 23 into 6, 76. Then 34 into all these, 46 into all this, 57 into all this. Total 25 calculations. I need only half the page. Half page मेरा होना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Not more than half a page. Don't give me beautiful writing. I don't need any. Save the space. Come on, do it. 25 calculations. The time starts now. Come on. Harsha, even Kiran was asking. Inform him. Yes, 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 I would. I wouldn't mind actually, sorry. Half a page, guys, half a page. I don't need more than half a page. I don't care. Only half a page is required. हाँ छोटा लिखो बिल्कुल ठीक. Anyone having any trouble, let me know. I think it's easy, isn't it? And we have to practice it every day. I never used to ask this in the class. Now I would do everything in the class. Whether it takes more time, I don't care. Next time I'm going to make it happen. Good. You have taken one full page. Cancel. I only needed half a page. This is what I want. What Kanishk is doing. Be miser. Be miser. He should be miser. You don't have the paper over there in the exams. वहाँ होता ही नहीं है रफ वर्क के लिए. You have to work on margins. चल जल्दी करो. Come on. Good. Anything? Anything you're solving है ना? No trouble? हाँ? Any trouble? Any trouble में? हाँ भाई. Very nice. छोटा छोटा लिख. ठीक है. पेपर में यार जगह नहीं. Very nice. ये नु गंदे का. Very good. छोटा. हाँ, this is it. Good. और जल्दी करो. I think with the passage of time you would see that there is a lot of improvement, isn't it? Hey, jaldi, don't stop. Hey, this is only 5 calculations. I need 25 calculations. Multiply each by everyone. Very good. Anyone having any trouble? Guys, anyone having any trouble? You still have 1 minute left. I gave you 5 minutes. How many of you have completed in 5? 1. But I don't take your complete work because he has taken one full page. You can buy a book. Disha publication की CSAT की book मेरी आई हुई है. You can buy it. The new edition is in the market. If you want extra practice. Yeah, you can take second one. First one was also good. I think second one has probably थोड़े questions मैंने add on करके जो theory है वो कम कर दिए. So a lot of people are preferring first one, a lot of people are preferring second one. And if you keep on coming to the classes, keep on improving, I may give my book free to you. I've asked for good 20-30 books from the publisher. So that if you keep on improving, I may give it as a prize. Show some courage. Show some intent. Hey, jaldi. She's dreaming about having a book rather than solving the questions. I need Siddharth in next class, okay? He is at home. Okay. He has gone home. Where does he belong to? Oh, Warangal. Okay. Ask him to bring some sweets. Some good Warangal sweets. Huh? So guys, I think good for today. Huh? So see you tomorrow again at 2. Listen to me. Tomorrow we have a very important issue. Divisibility rules. Everyone. I think every year 2 to 4 questions are from this topic, divisibility and remainders. So please, people, those who have not come today, ask them to come and join the classes. And till that time, have good fun. By tomorrow, I'll send you all the notes and everything on the Telegram channel. Please send me message, but write SRIS student. That I won't, because a lot of other students will also add up, right? Thank you and God